What's up? This is Henry Gartland and these are my Indys. I ride an 825, so 149 fits perfect on it. Get the good grinds, good lock-ins. I like it. I like skating my trucks for a long time, so you get good lock-in marks, good grooves. New trucks are my least favorite thing, because you have to break in the bushings, you have to get all new lock-in marks. I don't like it. You want the good grooves. That's fucking right. That's sick. If somebody's got a deep groove, you can tell they've been skating their trucks for a while, and I respect. I like that. I've gone down to the axle once. I've been skating Indys. My first pair of trucks were Indys, and then I switched up and then started skating Indys again like probably 5 or 6 years ago. Indys are the best. They grind the best, they lock in the best, they turn the best. No doubt. I like Indy. Brand is sick. It's dope.
Life question, sorry.
This is not a my Indys question.
I can answer.
Yeah, we can have Dressen answer this one.
This guy's gonna rip it up. Man, this guy's going to top. You're the fucking best.
Hell yeah, thank you, Dressen.
Like
Dressen's the best.
Dude.
Thank you, Dressen. I love Dressen. The best, fuck the rest.
Hey, this is Evan Smith for Independent Trucks. If you're watching live, please click the subscribe button right above my head for more Independent Trucks videos. Thanks for watching. NHS. Ride the best, fuck the rest.